This is the smoke coming from Phoenix Talent, Ashland area. Yeah, it's getting really thick. Dave was just out here and said he saw ash. So far I don't see any, but I'll bet you anything this fire is going to take a good portion of South Medford, Phoenix Talent before it gets done. It'll be staying right along the I-5 corridor though, I think. Myself, that's my own opinion, but who knows. Sure hope they get this thing stopped. It's a monster. It's coming right up over our house. Not the fire, but the smoke is so far. You talk about a literal firestorm. That's how fast there's a flame. I just saw an ash. Yeah, you would think that that would be a thunderstorm, but actually all it is cloud from the fires. I wouldn't even be a bit surprised if it's got its own thunder down in the base, you know. You hear about the fire tornadoes and stuff like that. Jackson County, the entire Jackson County is at a level 1 evacuation. We don't have to leave unless they increase it, of course. But it's getting really bad. I've lived in the valley. Well, I was born in '55, and I've only been gone away from here maybe 10 years my whole life, and this is the worst it's ever been. I hear that's one of the fire planes heading out. To drop retardant on the fires. They're going to go out this until dark. But like I was saying, I've never, ever, in all my years living here in the Rogue Valley, ever seen it this bad. They're supposed to be, according to my daughter, evacuating the Asante Hospital, and they are evacuating the Rogue Valley Manor right now. And several people have already lost their homes. My girlfriend Sherry's uncle lost his home, and my daughter Evie, her friend, co-worker, her house burnt down earlier today because of the fire. So we have the fire that came from Ashland that's spreading this way. There's a fire on Open Chain Road outside of Butte Falls. There's a fire also, that'd be the Eagle Point fire, the Open Chain Road fire. There's one in Sam's Valley off of Highway 62 that took down a red barn house. There's one out near Jacksonville somewhere too. So, I'm going back in. The smoke's really bad, but I just wanted to make a quick video of how bad the smoke was. August 8th. Or September 8th, 2020. We still have power, thank goodness. We haven't lost any power though. And this wind is supposed to keep up till about something like 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Take care, everybody. Be safe. Bye. You can see how fast the fire's moving, or at least the smoke is. And I'm pretty sure the fires are moving just as fast. Prayers for everybody that's being caught up in this. Goodbye. I just got a call from my granddaughter Brenda. They have evacuated the South Medford Walmart on Center Drive. Closed up the store tight. It's getting real. This is just totally crazy. She's all worried about us, but we're about 1.5 miles from the freeway, so unless it starts jumping or hot embers fall on the grass, I think we should be okay. My grass has a lot of, it's dry. There's a lot of dark ash that has fallen in different areas. This thing is getting just so unreal. It's very scary.